Countable noun. What is countable noun? A countable noun is a noun that can be counted. Countable nouns have a plural form, and they can be used with numbers. For example, the word dog is a countable noun because it can be counted. We can say 1 dog or 2 dogs. Here are some more examples of countable nouns. People, woman, man, child, baby, doctor, teacher. Animals, dog, cat, horse, cow, fish, bird. Places, house, school, park, beach, mountain, river. Things, book, pen, pencil, chair, table, computer. Foods, apple, banana, pizza, cake, ice cream, soup. Colors, red, blue, green, yellow, orange, purple. Sounds, bark, meow, moo, quack, chirp, hiss. Tastes, sweet, sour, salty, bitter, spicy, bland. Smells, flowers, perfume, food, garbage, smoke, gasoline. Countable nouns are often used in everyday speech and writing. They are also used in many different types of literature, such as poems, stories, and essays. Here are some of the features of countable nouns. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. The singular form of a countable noun refers to one thing, and the plural form refers to more than one thing. For example, the singular form of the word dog is dog, and the plural form is dogs. Countable nouns can be used with numbers. We can use numbers to count countable nouns. For example, we can say 1 dog or 2 dogs. Countable nouns can be used in the indefinite article a or an. The indefinite article a or an is used to refer to one countable noun. For example, we can say a dog or an apple.